When I was applying to come to Westminster, it was actually two alumni that supported me and recommended me to the school. So the alumni support has just offered me so many opportunities throughout my years here, and I'm really grateful.
Yeah, I'm really grateful for the alumni network here at Westminster. I think their contributions to learning explorations has allowed us to be able to be free in what we want to do and kind of like get opportunities to get different ways of learning. And I think I've been a beneficiary of that. So I'm very thankful about that.
I experienced a great first year here at Westminster College. Thanks to all of my fellow Titans here. I don't think it would be possible without the support of the alumni and the donors. And let's go Titans.
Everybody's nice. There's always an open door. Everybody's inviting.
Westminster is special to me because it feels like a family.
And what you give truly makes an impact. And so we thank you on behalf of the college, on behalf of our students.
GivingDay is Thursday, April 16th.
Titans everywhere.
Are invited to come support students like me.
Students like me.
Thank you for supporting students like me.
Students like me.
Students like me.
Thank you so much for supporting students like me.